This specially customized yacht has been designed to be one of a kind, constructed entirely according to the anonymous owner's personal taste. The Dominator dockyard in the Italian town of Fano. Fiberglass hulls form the basis of what will be highly individualized yachts. The traditional shipyard was taken over by an Austrian family in 2010. They had a clear vision for their new venture.
To build yachts according to the needs, dreams, and wishes of our customers and their families.
It's a long process. The company constructs just 10 yachts a year. Customers from around the world pay between 2 and 14 million euros for their boats, depending on the extra features. It's a lot of money, but it's still a far cry from some of the giant palaces plying the waves these days. Customization used to distinguish between large vessels and their smaller mass-produced counterparts. But personalization is becoming a trend among owners of smaller boats too. French naval architects Couache and Italian yacht builders Benetti are just some of the companies offering customization. Italian yacht designer Alberto Mancini says the market is reacting to a new demand.
Clients want something more and more exclusive, and they get bored to buy a yacht, a 20, a 30-meter yacht, similar to many other ships already sold.
The designer holds a series of in-depth meetings with his clients before production begins. Understanding customers' needs is top of his agenda.
The first step is to understand as much as possible what he has in mind and try to feel the taste of the client.
In principle, nothing is impossible. The designer is open to anything.
He has clear in mind a very big owner's cabin, and I immediately proposed to him 2 huge horizontal windows cut in the hull side by side, and to get a very dramatic view and panoramic view to the sea. 2 nice windows to filter the light in the cabin.
Mancini not only customizes the yacht's exterior, he also designs the interior according to his clients' wishes. The innovative designs often bring to life unusual, high-end hybrids.
Here we are. It's a 27-meter yacht with a cabin. It's like in a villa on the sea that have to look like a sports car.
But it's not all about style. Dominator boats can't just look the part, they have to be fit for their purpose, sailing the high seas. Mancini also has experience designing cars, and he's worked with several yachting companies. For him, cooperation is key.
It's a very hard work of a team, several people together that put all the strength, the idea, and all the effort to build a dream.
Dreams that are oceans away from the concerns of most people.